Hey guys, Nick with 2, how do you do? This video, I'm just going to show you what I finished up a couple days. I got the frame done on the grinder I'm working on with the flat patent attachment arm. You can unscrew this part and take this out if necessary. But it's just going to lock it down. So I got the flat patent here. Got the adjustment tracking all done. Spring adjustment. So the frame's pretty much done. The motor's at my friend's house. I just gotta buy the tracking wheel, drive wheel, and 2 idler wheels. And then I can get some belts. But right now I don't have any money, so I can't really. Production's pretty much stopped. But I'm working on a few things. I got another titanium neck knife I'm working on. And then I got 2 neck knives completed. 1 second. One's blue, one's purple. You can see the pattern there. The blue one's a wave, and the purple one kind of has what I call a root or vine pattern. Come with Kydex sheath. I also made this gold pendant. If you're interested in those, the knives are going to be 90, and then the pendant's probably going to be around 60, 70. Of course, if you're interested in any other knives, please check out my sale video. It's on my main channel. Look at those, and if you can, please, or if you want to, please buy a knife, and I'll send that out to you, and then I can finish up a grinder, get working on some new projects, and more stuff. So remember, keep an eye sharp, mind sharp. I'm Nick with 2. Thanks for watching.